Hello everyone, Johnny here from InWin at CES 2019. We want to continue with the 900 series, this time bringing out the 905.
Take the leap.
Dieses Video wird euch vom Asus ZenBook Pro 15 präsentiert.
Unleash your creative power.
Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
Now, the 905 is actually a case that is kind of a improvement on a previous model in the 904 Plus. It was actually a very popular model, and we received a lot of customer feedback and decided to apply it to a new case. So in this case, we decided to make the 905. Now, it has that same kind of brushed aluminum look, but has a certain different vibe to it. And one of the things that we wanted to continue with the clean exterior was an even cleaner side panel. So the side panels here, it's a smaller touch, but it actually makes it that much cleaner by having no screws or handles to it. So how it actually opens is it has a tab in the back. And so once you press the tab, it actually opens automatically there. So once you pull it off, all you got to do is place it back in the slots and you're perfectly fine. So it has that nice clean vibe to it, but also we're not just focusing just on aesthetics here. We want to make another functioning work of art. So how we decided to do that is by increasing airflow and making it as optimal as possible. So we have actually the airflow going through the bottom here with the dust filter, that kind of L shape, to prevent the dust from entering in. Now, while that's one of the airflow areas, you have other airflow areas too on the side here. The side ventilated panel actually helps exhaust air. So we wanted to make sure to include more ways for air to escape the case. And by helping that as well, by putting more rad placement as well as fan placement, you can put up to a 360 millimeter on the bottom as well as 240 millimeter on the top. And to keep with the kind of consistency of the 900 series, wanted to make sure it was desk friendly. This thing is stunning. So you want to make sure you display it proudly on top of your desk with the I/O on the side here. The I/O comes complemented with a 3.1 Type-C as well as two 3.0 ports and an HD and audio port as well. Last thing I wanted to point out to you is that kind of touch of flair to it. It is a very clean and very classy build, but who doesn't like RGB? So we put an addressable strip on the front there just to kind of have that nice little accent to the case. So you can expect this gorgeous aluminum case, all one-piece bent aluminum case and tempered glass panel case to come out in about Q2 at the price range of about $280. We're still kind of debating on the price there, not for certain, but that's about the ballpark price range we're looking at.